Okay, here we go. Okay, and Nhien, where is Helen going on holiday?
Mm, Helen. Um, Helen is going to the sea.
What is Helen going to do on holiday?
Helen will go swimming.
Who is going with Helen on holiday?
Mm, Helen will go with her family.
Um, how is the weather there?
Um, uh,
Or is the
uh,
weather good? Is the weather good?
uh, is the weather, yes, the weather is sunny.
How long is Helen going on holiday for?
Uh, Helen will be on holiday for 2 weeks.
What will Helen do on holiday?
Uh, Helen will go swimming.
Good job. Now you can ask me about David.
Mm, where is David going on holiday?
David is going to the mountains.
What will David do on holiday?
David will go cycling.
Is the weather good?
No, the weather is windy.
How long will David go on holiday for?
David will go on holiday for 10 days.
Who will go with David?
David's school friends will go with him on holiday.
What will Helen do on holiday?
David will go cycling on holiday. Okay, good. Let's go to the story. See if you can remember the story.
First, Miss Brown is going to town today. She had got off the bus, but she has forgotten her bag. There's a young man holding her bag, but she hasn't seen him. Next, she is running after the bus, but the bus isn't stopping. Then Miss Brown is at the police station now, but the policeman hasn't got her handbag. Furthermore, Miss Brown isn't going into go town
Go into town.
go into town. She's going home. She can't go shopping because she hasn't got any money. Finally,
Good.
she is very surprised and happy. Because the young man is outside her house. He had got her handbag. He has got a letter with her on it, with her
With
address on it.
yes. Good. With her address on it. Okay. Okay, let's go to, we've got 5 minutes, so we can just, hang on. About 5 minutes, so I'm going to review this with you again. Okay, you can ask any question, Helen or David.
Where is David going on holiday?
David is going to the mountains. What will, okay, hang on, we'll ask a question each. Where will Helen go on holiday?
Helen will go on swimming.
No, where will Helen go on holiday?
Helen will be on holiday for 2 weeks.
No, where? Where will Helen go on holiday?
Helen is going to the sea.
There we go. Okay, now your question.
Is the weather good, Helen?
Is the weather good? Are you talking about David?
Helen.
Helen, okay. Yes, the weather is sunny. Who will go on holiday with David?
David will go with his school friends.
Okay.
What will David do on holiday?
David will go cycling. What will Helen do on holiday?
Helen will go swimming.
Good.
How long will David go on holiday for?
David will go on holiday for 10 days. What will Helen, no, how long will Helen go on holiday for?
Helen will be on holiday for 2 weeks.
Okay, your question.
Who will go with Helen?
Helen's family will go with Helen. Who will go with David on holiday?
David will go with his school friends.
Okay, good. Right, one more time the story and then we'll finish, okay?
Okay. First, Miss Brown is going to town today. She had got off the bus, but she has forgotten her bag. There's a young man holding her bag, but Miss Brown hasn't seen him. Next, Miss Brown is running after the bus, but the bus isn't stopping. Then she is at the police station, but got her handbag. Furthermore, she isn't going into going town
into town.
Into town. She is going home. She can't go shopping because she hasn't got any money. Finally, she is very surprised and happy. The young man is outside her house. He has got her handbag. He has got a letter with her address on it.
With a letter with her address on it. Okay, good. Just want to see here. Okay, here we go. Okay, good. You did a very good job here. Well done. We're going to stop here, and Nhien, okay? You did a good job. I will see you next time. Bye,
See
sweetie.
you. See you again. Goodbye,
Bye.
teacher.